Hello traders. Today we'll be looking at the XMA indicator for MT4. This tool plots an adaptive moving average line directly on your chart so you can visually track the underlying trend direction with a smoother response than a standard moving average. At this point I'll lower the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now the XMA indicator draws two moving average line with the blue one and yellow one. Now this continuous line follow the price action on the main chart. When the blue line crosses above the yellow line, it implies a bullish momentum, and when it falls below or crosses under it, the yellow line, it implies a bearish momentum. Now this is like a typical or like the normal moving average. So let's go over to its settings. We have the main line, which is the blue line, and the signal line, which is the yellow line. We also have the price and the price mode. We also have the color for the main and signal line, which we can adjust. Now, who is this indicator for? The XMA indicator is suited to traders who want a simple, visually clean trend filter without plotting multiple moving averages. It is still a price-based lagging tool that can give late information at turning point and may whipsaw in ranging markets, so it works best alongside structure, support and resistance, and disciplined risk management rather than as a stand-alone signal. Now, as you can see on the chart, it delays or lags in more proper Forex term as the trend has already begun or ended for the crossover happens. And we see that multiple times in the chart. Now you can find download link in the description below and also read more about the XMA indicator for MT4 and see more example charts at the Forex Gig. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.